Get out!
They can't complain because they got a nap last night, they got a sandwich this morning, right? And a break. And a break, yeah, they got a 2-hour break. Alright, get your shit over there. Hey, guess what I got? Take care of this.
No, that's wrong.
You want it, Rob? Take it.
Oh, he's gonna have to tinkle. What the fuck does it matter?
Yeah, he's getting out.
This is for now. This is for later.
Not much, over yourself. You guys staying warm at least? Try. Where are you going, buddy? Hey guys, just get the sandwich. Walking home. Walking home.
You want anything else? I already saw that. So you can be warm? No shit.
My hands are cold, I can't see, I'm 2-footing it because of the mud, and I can't pee.
How's it working out?
I'm peeing now. I should just get back in and piss on myself and warm myself up.
That's what you should do.
Like a room of air you down here.
Are those belts all good?
Huh? Alright.
Oh, I've been having to do that for a long time.
Feel a hell of a lot better? You want another water?
Got a Coke?
Yeah. Yeah?
Adam's got a Mountain Dew in there probably.
You want something with caffeine? Okay. I gave him a shit ton of rags. Really. It's ready everywhere. Yeah. Oh. Cone stone.
You ask for a Coke and they give you no sugar.
What?
What? How's that going across?
Time for this.
How is it the repair boots are hanging on for
You
you?
got a giant Red Bull. You want to shot a Red Bull?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is.
I don't know if there's another one in there. Oh, there's a monster.
Do you ever, hey Mark, do you have extra Red Bulls?
Tighten up your
There
shoulders.
should be, check.
Red Bulls.
Two Red Bulls for you guys.
You just had a sugar-free Coke, you just need a Red Bull.
We got it. We're good.
Your friend of mine started saying, you want it? So you're going to go to Paris and let them do that?
Oh, that one.
His hands are frozen like this around the steering wheel.
They'll be like Dumb and Dumber when they get off the scooter.
It's all right, man.
Adam, you want to do the right one? All right, let's fucking go!